One altcoin has kept on surging over the past week to insane levels. Bitcoin could be getting ready to make new all-time highs, and ETH looks to be setting up for its next leg higher. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Today's YouTube news is sponsored by Tectum. If there's one downside to big public blockchains like Bitcoin, it's that everything is public. If someone can figure out your wallet address, they can see every transaction you've ever had in that wallet. When it comes to bringing privacy to Bitcoin transactions, Tectum offers a solution, and that's their Softnotes. A Softnote works like paper money and set denominations that you choose. And like paper money, you can choose to transact with your Bitcoin anonymously if you want. One of the last steps towards major adoption of Bitcoin for payments is some level of privacy, and Tectum and its Softnotes now provide that. With Softnotes, you can transact with Bitcoin faster and more anonymously. Try Tectum Softnotes today with the link down below. After a little volatility over the weekend, Bitcoin had ultimately come full circle by the weekly close. Now back above $69,000 at the time of writing, Bitcoin price action continues to pick battles around that area, with traders seeing a clear need to flip it into solid support. Trader Skew wrote in his latest analysis on X, TLDR, market needs to accept and sustain above 69K for continuation higher or new all-time highs, so for now we see how things develop into Monday. Early week dips would be my focus for opportunities if given, following the criteria of risk on and risk off factors. Describing $69,000 as likely an important price this week, Skew noted increasing asset liquidity above $70,000, with the majority of bids still lower around $66,000. And data from monitoring resource CoinGlass showed ongoing attempts to keep price contained in its current price range. Currently circulating on social media is an extremely bullish comparison between Bitcoin and the US M1 money supply. The M1 supply refers to the sum of cash, demand deposits, and checks in the United States economy. Over the years, Bitcoin has exhibited a key dynamic against M1, and as of June 2024, it looks to be repeating its biggest ever breakout against it. Tech Dev on X wrote, significant, Bitcoin has only seen blow-off tops after breakouts against M1 money supply, and the longer it's consolidated, the longer it's run. This breakout follows the longest consolidation yet. In fact, it represents a textbook breakout of a 5-year broadening wedge. The last 5 years have been corrective against M1. Bitcoin is once again impulsive against it for the first time since 2017. We've never seen a Bitcoin breakout like this one. Our partners at Landrocker are a multiplayer play-to-earn game about battle, discovery, and space exploration. They've just announced that Season Zero is live and the LRT token is listed. The LRT token is now listed on Mexi and Uniswap. Season Zero is launched, liberate planets from alien control across infinite worlds, compete for a massive prize pool of 20 million LRT tokens and 5,000 USDT. Free to play, warm up your skills now, you'll need them in the next seasons. And on top of that, due to high demand, they've extended the loot box sale for another 24 hours. Don't miss your chance to grab exclusive rewards. Act fast before it's too late. Check out Landrocker and their Season Zero with a link down below. The Telegram-based cryptocurrency Notcoin has experienced a significant rally, with its weekly gains surpassing 350%. While the broader cryptocurrency market stabilized over the weekend, Notcoin surged by an additional 40% on Sunday, reaching a new all-time high of 0.029. At the time of writing, Notcoin is trading at 0.024, with a market cap of $2.4 billion. Analysts attribute the surge in Notcoin's value to its successful integration with Telegram's extensive user base. Although the recent airdrop was initially met with lukewarm reception, it has since experienced a positive turnaround, reflected in its token's price increase. The notable growth in Notcoin network transactions aligns with its rising popularity. The platform allows users to earn Not tokens through simple games and task completion. Recently, Notcoin introduced earning missions, which enable passive token accumulation, further boosting user engagement. With its straightforward gameplay and social media integration, Notcoin is well positioned to capitalize on the growing play-to-earn trend. Market analysts believe the Notcoin price could be eyeing potential gains to 10 cents. Look On Chain highlighted that a Notcoin whale has an unrealized profit of $862,000 on Not. This investor spent 50,550 TON, or $278,000, to purchase 46.4 billion W Not before Not was listed. Each 1,000 W Not can be exchanged for 1 Not. On May 21st, the whale converted all 46.4 billion W Not into 46.4 million Not and has been holding it since, realizing a profit of $862,000. According to a recent release data Polygon Q1 2024 report by Masari, Polygon gaming activity increased in Q1 2024, with daily gaming addresses surging by more than 1,615% quarterly to 207,000, and daily gaming transactions rising by 469% in the same timeframe to 734,000. The rise in activity was mostly caused by Matrix's Matrix Fire game. Several developments also boosted Polygon's gaming ecosystem. Immutable, in partnership with King River Capital and Polygon Labs, launched the $100 million Inevitable Games Fund, which focuses on the Web3 gaming ecosystem. And as part of the Polygon 2.0 upgrade, MATIC will be replaced with Paul, and Paul will allow holders to contribute to the network security on multiple protocols in the Polygon ecosystem using a native restaking protocol, earning incentives for a variety of services. These services range from simple transaction validation to more complex activities, such as creating ZK validity proofs. Our partners at Minterest are a cross-chain DeFi lending protocol that redistributes 100% of value captured back to users. Minterest captures more fees than any other lending protocol and redistributes them as rewards back to users who contribute to its governance with the highest long-term yields. Using maximized fees, the protocol buys back its native Minty token to distribute as rewards to users who contribute to governance. In return, they receive the highest long-term yields in DeFi. Minterest has just announced that they're now on Taiko. Taiko is an Ethereum equivalent Type 1 ZK EVM maximally compatible with Ethereum. They'll be hosting an X Space today on June 3rd at 4:30 p.m. UTC to discuss what the future holds for Minterest on Taiko. Check it out with the link down below. Ethereum's native token has rallied by 67% so far in 2024 and may continue its upward move in June per a mix of on-chain data, fundamentals, and technical indicators. As of June 1st, Ether had entered the breakout stage of its prevailing falling wedge pattern. A falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern characterized by two descending converging trend lines. As a rule of technical analysis, this pattern resolves when the price breaks above the upper trend line and rises by as much as the wedge's maximum height. On May 20th, Ether's price broke above the wedge's upper trend line with a rise in trading volumes, confirming the bias to reach the pattern's upside target around $4,255 by June's end. Interestingly, the ongoing breakout further appears to be part of a bull flag pattern, characterized by two parallel downward sloping trend lines. As a rule of technical analysis, the bull flag resolves when the price breaks above the upper trend line and rises by as much as the previous uptrend's height. This puts ETH en route to $6,000 by June's end or early July. According to on-chain data resource Sentiment, the Ether supply held by entities with a balance of 10 million to 100 million ETH, or the black line, has increased by 0.5% since May 20th, when rumors about the United States SEC's reconsideration towards a spot Ether ETF denial started. The accumulation coincided with a 20% ETH price boom, and it kept growing after spot Ether ETFs received official approval from the SEC on May 23rd. According to analysts, there's a legit possibility that the US spot Ether ETF could launch by late June, following BlackRock's decision to update its S1 form for its iShares Ethereum Trust.